Weekly cleaning is recommended to keep your Honeywell Cool Moisture humidifier running efficiently. All maintenance should be done in the kitchen or bathroom on a water-resistant surface near a faucet. Be sure to follow the separate steps for descaling and disinfecting. Before cleaning, turn off and unplug. Empty the water tank, then remove housing, filter, and accessories from the humidifier. Both steps are important and should be performed weekly. The water tank and tray are top-rack dishwasher safe, but the rest of the unit will need to be cleaned by hand. To descale the unit, pour 2 cups of undiluted distilled white vinegar in the water tank and replace the cap. Swish the solution in the tank to make sure the vinegar wets the entire inside. Place the tank on the base so the vinegar can drain into the water reservoir and loosen mineral buildup. Soak for 20 minutes. After soaking, empty vinegar from the water tank and wipe the base with a soft cloth. Use the soft cloth to wipe inside the tank if necessary. Rinse the tank and base with water until the smell of vinegar is gone. To disinfect the humidifier, mix a gallon of water with a teaspoon of bleach. Pour bleach solution into the water tank and replace the cap. Swish the solution in the tank to make sure it wets the entire inside. Place the tank on the base to let the solution drain into the reservoir and soak for 20 minutes. Empty the solution from the tank and base, then rinse with water until the smell of bleach is gone. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit HoneywellPluggedIn.com.